for you, $5,000 within your first 30 days. And for him, this has actually been producing $11,000 per day for him. And now you are asking yourself how to make $100 a day online. That is crazy. Hi there and welcome. My name is Errol Muller, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make $100 a day within this entire video. And at the end of this video I'm going to show you two sources, or actually three sources. It's all combined, which is the most important. So do not skip this video or do anything with this video. I literally want you to watch this video right now from now up until the end of this video, because during this video I'm firstly going to share results with you. I'm going to show you how to make $100 a day with investments, with Forex trading, with the secret sauce that I'm about to share with you at the end of this video that literally makes $100 look small, and I mean like really small. And then if you are brand new to my channel, I want you to hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up so that we can push this video up in the rankings and help more individuals to make more money online. Now, this is my YouTube channel, this is my website, and firstly, let's start off with investments. Once we're done with investments, then I'm going to jump over to Forex trading. I'm going to show you guys something related to Forex trading, and then I'm going to jump over to a few other things, okay, which is the secret sauce. So make sure you watch this video until the end. So firstly, let's do a few quick calculations. So this program or system that you're on right now, or I wouldn't say system, it's more like noding, master noding. I don't even know what, or let's say master noding. I don't know if you know what master noding is. So if you get returns per month, not per annum, per month, of 10% consistently, or on average, let's say 10 to 15% on average per month, how much money will you need in order to make $100 a day? So let's do a quick calculation. So firstly, very simple. If you had $10,000 invested, $10,000 times 10%, I already know it's going to give me $1,000 times 10%, that gives me $1,000. Okay, so how much money do we need to sustain us for, let's say, 31 days, not 30 days, let's say 31 days. So that's going to be $3,100 that we need. So firstly, if we had 31, let's call it, yes, 31,000 times, that's going to give us $3,100 times 10% on average gives us $3,100 divided by 31, it gives you $100 a day. Simple calculation. So if you want to see results like this, so this is my account, as you can see, Errol Muller. I am currently logged in. This is my current balance. It's 2,773 euros, and this is growing constantly every single month, on average between 10 to 15% on average per month. In the month of February, we had a return of 19.2%. Yes, 19.2% for the month of February. As you can see, this is my account. I am currently logged in. Let's quickly go to reports. So my total return on investment is $334. Now you might ask yourself, why is it only $334 if you've got a total amount of 2,700 within this program? Firstly, it's not an investment, it's not cryptocurrency mining or Bitcoin mining. It is master noding in something totally different. And a huge disclaimer for this entire video, I cannot guarantee any results, and please do your own research on everything that I am sharing with you. Now, the reason my investments are so low, because I made a huge deposit in the month of June. So for this month, the month of July, at the end of July, beginning August, I want you to come back to my channel, because I will do an update on this specific program that I am invested in and share my results with you. I've got a feeling that this month will produce anywhere from 200 to 400 euros alone for this month, so do check back within a month. So as you can see already, for the first week we had an increase of 2.1%. Now that is on that total balance. For the second week, we already had a 1.4% return, and then for week 3, it's still unknown. It will update today, which means it will show tomorrow. Then we'll know what the profit is for tomorrow. If you would like to know what the week 3 return or profit is, then leave me a comment in the comments below right now. Say, hi Errol, I would like to know what is the week 3 profit for the one program that you showed us. So let's head over to my results quickly. Sorry guys, I don't want to keep this video for too long. It's going to be kind of long because there's so much information. It's so jam-packed with information, and you guys just bear with me. So I'm going to take you through multiple sources. I've been given different sources for you to make money from investing, forex trading, and then the ultimate source at the end of this video that will make $100 look small, okay, per day. So as you can see, my total net profit is 334 euros. My total deposits is 2,800 euros. Reason being, I had some affiliate commissions that came in at 23 euros that I added to this balance right here. So these are my results, and I'm also going to show you how you can get access to this type of I want to say investment, but it's not really an investment, if I can call it like this. So let's just leave it at that, to this program. I'll show you how you can get access to it. So my month, I actually started in March, April, May, June. There's my increases. You can see first month 44 euros, then 91 euros, then 74, then 124 euros. Reason being, so for the month of May, I had a clean 7.9% growth. These months was a lot higher, and you will see why I only received 10%, 8%, and 4%. If I click on the information bell, it says profit for this period was lower than expected percentage due to late deposit. It's because I always deposit money late for that month, then it's in a 7-day holding account, and then only the master noting starts. So it would have been a lot more. This month would have been, I think, 10 point something percent again. No, I'm lying. I think the month of June was 9.1%, if I'm not mistaken, that I would have received the full 9 point something percent. Unfortunately, yes, 9.1% for the month of June. The reason I did not receive it is due to a late deposit. Okay, so I don't want to go into more detail about this. If you want to know more, head over to my website, which is this one right here. It's called errolmuller.com. I want you to head over to the cryptocurrency tab, and then once on the cryptocurrency tab, I want you to literally, it will be this number 1, 5 to 15% per month. I want you to enter your email address, click the show me button, and it will take you over to this specific program right here. Okay, that is it for this program. Now let's head over to the second source, which is Forex Trading. So on the top right hand side, there will be an information bell. I will also leave the link in the description below this video for you to go check out this specific video. It is a live video that is running of one of my live Forex robots that I am using, that is literally producing a lot of money for me, and it's a live account, it's a live video, it's live 24 hours a day. I want you to go and you can watch that video. You can see the account. I'm literally taking that account, growing it from $100 all the way up to $10,000, and I'm doing it live on YouTube for you to watch. How do you get access to that? Number one, so head over to the Forex Trading tab. Then there's 2 Forex robots for you. Very important. I will share the results with, or I will start another YouTube live stream with Forex Robot number 2. I'm also sharing my live account with you, how I'm growing it, and then for you to definitely check out. So enter your email address in number 1, and then enter your email address in number 2 as well, in order to have a look at both of these Forex robots. Now with Forex Trading, then again, same thing. On average, anywhere from 3% all the way up to 15 to 20% per month. So on average at this point in time, it's around 6% increase per month. Once again, this is more like an investment, but on average it's about 6% per month. That is really, really good. And then you can just imagine when you start compounding the profits that you make, then it's a lot more than 6% compounded. Okay, so keep that in mind. That is the second source. It's Forex Trading. And guys, I will never share something with you watching this video right now. I will never share something with you that I honestly don't either do myself, or I believe in it, or I trust it myself. I will not share it with you. Okay, so this website that I've created, I've done a lot of research, I've done a lot of due diligence in order to to show you guys all of this, and I've invested thousands of dollars over the years in order to get to where I am today, to share this video with you. Okay, source number 3, and this is the ultimate source, and I'm not lying to you guys, this is the ultimate source. Why am I saying this is the ultimate source? Okay, so let's quickly head back to the home page. It is called, firstly, let me show you how you can get access to, if you want to build a business online, you want to get free access that will show you how to build your dream business online. Let me quickly show you how you go about that. And then I want you to go back to my website, click on the marketing tab. Okay, on the marketing tab, sorry, I just want to see how long this video has been going. Okay, for about 10 minutes, not too bad. I want you to click on the marketing tab, and then I want you to head over and do this, a little bit of a pattern interrupt. Sorry, I literally want to do this from the bottom of my heart. I want to say thank you so much for joining me on this journey and providing me with all the views and likes and comments. I like this one right now, that if you really enjoy the videos that I share with you, please leave me a comment in the description below this video, and what else would you like me to share with you. Then again, this is the video that I was talking about, that I'm growing from $100 to $10,000. But from the bottom of my heart, I really want to say thank you, and thank you for the subscribers, those of you who have subscribed, those of you who are still subscribing, and the likes on all my videos, all the comments and all the shares that I'm getting. Really, I appreciate you. Thank you. So back to this, I want you to so if you want to build your dream business online, I want you to head over to the marketing tab on errolmuller.com. I want you to scroll down all the way to number 3. I want you to enter your details and then enter your email address and click show me. You will get free access to this. Okay, that is one of the free sources. A second free source, if you don't know what online marketing is, if you've never done online marketing, or you run your own business, you're building your own business, or you have your own YouTube channel, you make a lot of videos, or you literally just want more traffic towards your passion, whatever your passion is. If you are selling a product, or you're starting a business, or you would like to start a business and you don't know how to get visitors towards your business, for people to see your business, your products, or your services, then I want you to click a same tab, the marketing tab on this website. So let me just reset that quickly. Same marketing tab. You scroll down to source number 2, where it says want more traffic to your business or offer. This is also a free source. You can literally get access to a free course. That is crazy. It's a free course. Enter your email address, then click show me. At the time of me shooting this video, everything is still as is. Hopefully it will not change in the future. If it does change, then at least you will still get a lot of value out of this video. Now, the ultimate source that I was talking about, which is 11K per day, or $5,000 within your first 30 days if you are brand new. And what exactly is it that I'm talking about? Errol, what in the world are you talking about? So let me show you. It is literally affiliate marketing. And why affiliate marketing? Now, don't exit this video if you've heard about affiliate marketing. This is crazy. This will literally if you want to know how to make $100 a day, it will make $100 look small. So let's quickly do it. Let me do another calculation. Affiliate commissions, and I've been in the game since the year 2014, 2015. Affiliate commissions ranges anywhere from 20% up to 75%. Some of it's 5%. That is crazy low. You don't want to do something that is only 5%. So you want to aim for anything that's at around 40% to 75% commissions. Now let's go on average. Let's say you get for majority of my products, I get about 75% that I sell. So let's say you get 75% per product. The average sale is about between 150, or let's say 97, 149, and 197. That is basically on average what the products sell for online, the entire online space, across the board. Okay. Now, firstly, if you sold a product for $97, you got 75% commission. That is $72. If you sold a product for $197 and you received 75% commissions, you literally made $147 on one sell. If you had a product or you sold a product for $297, now this is crazy. I sell big, I call them bolder products, like big products that's like $1,999, like $2,000. So let's say you sell a product for $297 times 75%, that is $222 for one sell. That is literally one sell. If you did 10 of those in one day, you would have made $2,200 in a day. That's why I'm saying this will let $100 look small. And exactly is it that I'm talking about. So let's quickly head back to my website, and then I'm going to bring you back to this website. So back to my website is I want you to click on this one right here. Number one, the most important, enter your email address, click the show me. It is called affiliate marketing. It will take you on through to a webinar. At this point in time, it's a webinar. It will take you to a webinar, and I want you to watch whatever is after this link. I want you to watch entirely. Okay. Then back to this. What exactly will you get access to? So if you do decide to get into this and you upgrade yourself to at least a platinum or a gold level, I'm a platinum level member. When you head over to courses and you click on courses, you will get access to so much information to build your dream business online, to start an affiliate marketing business. So exactly what I was talking about is this right here, affiliate marketing 3.0. All of this, I've got access to all of these programs. It's crazy. This is, if you've never made money online, then this is for you. I want you to, then you head over to Access Training, and then you've got a full blown training course waiting for you. Like crazy. Okay. So I literally want you, as you can see, this is my account there, Errol Muller. That's me, that's my picture. I'm signed in, I'm logged in. I want you to definitely head over and check this out. So in the comments right now, out of all of these sources, what source did you like the most? The first source that I showed you, the Forex Trading, the marketing. So yes, head over to my website. Head over to errolmuller.com. There's so much information for you to process, and I've compiled these. This is years and years of compilation and investing thousands of dollars in order to bring you only the best in the market. Once again, I appreciate you in the comments right now. What did you enjoy most about this video? I appreciate you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. May you have a blessed and a wonderful, successful, wealthy, healthy life full of love, everything that is good. And I will see you in my next video. Stay tuned.